Yeah.
Alright, time to do some deliveries. See if people are ordering a lot of food today or not. I don't know. Well, it's always kind of a hit or miss. Time of the day, location, all that kind of stuff. It's kind of slow sometimes to connect, but there it goes. So this is what I do pretty much. Just sit around and wait for the next ping, which should be any second now. Got one. Got one. Here we go. Time to get to work.
You have one job?
Yeah.
Alright, we're here.
We're here.
Alright, one more.
Yeah, hi. I got a Uber Eats pickup for JT.
Okay, if you pull up to the second window, they'll help you. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. And that's how easy it is. I like being able to go through a drive-thru. Usually McDonald's does this more. Other restaurants you have to park and look for a parking spot and walk in. But this makes it more convenient. Alright. Just keep.
Hello, how you doing? We're just waiting for your Uber Eats order. Can you go ahead and just park in the front with me, please, and we'll bring it out for you?
Alright, for sure. Thank you.
Have a good one, thank you.
Uh-huh. Okay, so got that. And start trip. There we go. So there's where I'm going. There we go. There's one. And
Appreciate it. Have a good day.
yeah, you too, have a good one. Alright, so just finished that delivery and I just made, how much did I make? Made $5.14 on that one. So, but I also am about to hit a bonus here in a minute, which you'll see here, 14 trips left for $50. Those bonuses really help so much. So just sitting here waiting for the next ping, which should come in within anywhere from the next couple minutes, 10 minutes. So there's my DoorDash bag back there, just in case you guys are wondering, which I'm also doing along with Uber Eats. I'm teaching my assistant here about lenses and filming and all that fun stuff. It's got a telescopic lens on the tablet there, which allows you to see a lot more, like as if you're looking through binoculars. Also got a wide angle lens here, a fisheye lens for doing wide shots. Oh, got another one. Time to get back to work. Let's see where this one's going. Alright, back to McDonald's for another pickup. You having fun? She keeps me company here, keeps me happy, keeps me going, keeps me motivated. So for these McDonald's ones, it literally tells you right on here to go inside or through the drive-thru. Yeah, hi, I got an Uber Eats pickup for Marie. Alright, thanks. It is for Uber Eats?
Sorry?
It's for Uber Eats?
Oh, you're waiting for Uber?
Yeah, for Uber Eats. Sometimes they mess up. Sometimes they almost give me the next regular drive-thru's food. There's 2 Ubers. Okay. Ah, 3 bags, huh?
Yeah.
It's for Marie, right? For Marie, right?
Yeah.
Okay. That's everything?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, you have a good day.
All right, you too, man. And we're off. All right, so we got that. Now we head off. All right, so just complete another delivery. I'm just waiting for the next one. Oh man, look at that RV. Oh man, that's a great RV right there. I like that.
They're selling it.
No, I wish they were selling it, but I don't even have money to buy it. Oh man. I'd be able to get a good night's sleep, and I'd be able to have some privacy and be in my own space. Nobody bothering me. Nobody like. Oh man. Just gotta keep dreaming, I guess, until I get the money for one. Okay, so I'm up to $13 now so far. An hour and 13 minutes, 2 trips. Up to $407 for the week. That's not including the $50 bonus that I'm about to hit, but that is including a $70 bonus that I hit the previous week. Got another one. Let's see where we're headed off to this time.
Head north on North Avalon Boulevard.
Surprise, surprise, it's McDonald's again. Wow, McDonald's is really popular today. I was trying to show some variety, show some different restaurants in this video, but they seem to all be McDonald's. This is the third one in a row now.
Hello.
Hello, Uber Eats pickup for
Okay.
Brian?
For Brian.
Guy's got the same name as me.
She's working on it right now.
Okay, cool.
I got it.
All right, Brian. 12 trips left for $50. Got another one. 4 minutes away. Let's hope it's somewhere
Head
other
north
than
on Cypress
McDonald's.
Street toward Lomita Boulevard.
Okay, finally we're going somewhere different than McDonald's. Creamistry. I've never heard of this place before. Let's see what they ordered. Oh, Nutella. That's weird. Can't you get that at the grocery store? Hello, hello. Uber Eats pickup for Kayla.
Everything's here.
Alright. Thank you. You too, man. Well, that was a quick one. I like when they're quick, when I can just walk in and get out instead of having to wait like 20 minutes. I actually have had to wait, well, maybe not 20 minutes, but I waited at least 15 minutes before for pickup. Alright, so we're taking Nutella to Kayla right now.
Make a left turn on Crenshaw Boulevard.
Tell me what to do. Hello, Kayla? And we're off. Say hi to all the crazy people on YouTube. Hi, crazy fucking people on YouTube. You crazy motherfuckers, you know who you are. You guys know who you are. Fucking crazy fucking people. Mo money, mo honey. 11 more trips for $50. 11 more trips for $50. Waiting for the next delivery ping. Waiting for the next delivery ping. Stupid fucking transmission. Got another one. 10 minutes away, but oh well, it's money. Let's see where we're
Head
going
east on
now.
Spencer Street toward Madrona Avenue.
Going to Chicken Chick. Never heard of that one either. I guess I need to get out more. Chicken Chick, Chicken Chick, Chicken Chick, Chicken Chick. Never heard of this place. Weird place. Alright, we're here at Chicken Chick. Hello, hello. Got an Uber Eats pickup for Omar.
It's gonna be right up. 4 minutes.
Okay, cool. That's what I mean. Sometimes you gotta wait a couple minutes. That's everything? Okay, have a good one. Alright, so just got done delivering some chicken shit. Or chicken chick, whatever it's called. Actually, it smelled really good. So now I'm actually gonna take a break now, and I'm gonna edit this video that you guys just finished watching. So I'm gonna head to the 99-cent store and get a computer mouse, and then I'm gonna go to Starbucks to edit. 99-cent store, one of the only stores I can afford to shop at. Computer mouse. These are so not the computer mice I was looking for. So I'm here at Starbucks now, just getting ready to put together the video that you guys just watched. 99-cent store only had pencil sharpener, computer mice, so I had to go to CVS to get this one. Had to pay $13 for it. Probably overpaid for it, but I really needed it for my YouTube channel. So if I spent too much, oh well, shoot me. Well, that's not about wraps this video up. Go ahead, rate, comment, subscribe, give me a thumbs up if you thought this video was cool and funny. And Troll Media, go fuck yourself.